namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course. Oh, namhla ta ikho la ST Hagiazo. Yeah, of course ngata ikho linka Nagagash. Yeah, so of course in relation to this already video ko la channel yi summarizing la mhaka of course yi nga vangiwa hikuva Gagash ku hi side ra yena anga twena ku inani Hagiazo was biased eka timhaka ta of course loko inani pastor donation afika ahlasela mucato wena Gagash makumisa ku haxa mucato yele switandini kwalano ku vera xitlipani xa ku hinkwenu kota ku hadya switsundzuka vhele
mani wa swi tiva mani ku swi laga loko hi vulavula hi wedding hi vulavula hi leswi a hi ri mucato wa le switandini hi ri wedding ta vona swilo swo teka kahle.
And another thing that the clip very I posted ko ka page ra Hagiazo la and then ni cheka ni fike ni tlhela ni kuma ku that clip ya ri kona sweswi hi vulavula loko mina so before we continue kambe un'wana munhu anga fika kaneta as you can see siku leri on top there 18 March nkarhi 14:30 as you can see so video leyi ya ri kona yale as you can see just ku va mi swi vona ku a no chanceni video the same video ya ri kona leyi mayo leyi ku yi tlanga ku vhele so yona the same exact
mani wa swi tiva mani ku swi laga loko hi vulavula hi.
Yeah, so kasi of course ra ti 18th March a day after Gagash endle his video vele Hagiazo responded so ta hi tisa side ra Hagiazo la mi ra Gagash ri tini sweswi ya hi side ra Hagiazo hi twa ku ri tshamise ku yini sweswi ri nga tshamisa swo kwana so hi pfuleni the video hi twa ku famba hi ni ku sala endla
ni rhandza ku khensa ku va Dr. Gagash va humesele swirilo swa vona handle.
Okay.
However, for me, I didn't think at that time I was taking side maybe with Pastor Donation or whatever, because from what I remember and what I know myself to be, anseta man ba munhu wa kuteka maside as such, especially ka swilo swa muxaka lowu. In my view, you are right ku voice out leswi nga ku vavisa and mina and munhu wa swa pride and all of that, even if hambi Dr. Gagash amilo reach out to both given ba hlamusela ku hayi mina xirilo or amkhomekanga kahle, I would have attended it. And if you indicate ku hayi lana marito lama ama ni hundzisanga kahle ni munhu na mina hambi ni ri mfundhisi ni nga va ni hoxile even then hi swi lunghisa swi hela.
Okay. It's loko se hi swi languta hi side ra Hagiazo la it's actually a fair point even if he was wrong even if he was wrong at that period maybe ku hi swi vulaka swona Hagiazo he was not aware ku he was wrong, so it does make sense swi nga nga vula ku it does make sense swa humelela minkarhi yin'wana mi fika mi kuma ku mi fika mi vula marito ma fika ma vavisa munhu mara mi nga va nga aware maybe a mi twina ku maybe mo joka or something no nyika xikombiso it does happen. So swi loko hi side leriwa Hagiazo se swivulwa swi nga vuriwa kwala I was not aware ku ri Gagash ka yena a swi hindzanga kahle marito ya lamiya loko swi ndlela ku maybe ku supportiwa in Pastor Donation mara mhaka leyiwa so ku hi yena Gagash a nga expectanga ku va kha ku supportiwa side leriya ku hi yena, so swa twisiseka kwala swo twisiseka, so yeah I do agree with the point.
And even in the future to every one of you ngwe relate ako, especially nwina vo CMC vo Philani
ba Modelo
Mgobozi vo Tirei, I really think mina I'm that open yabu you can call me and tell me ku mfundhisi leswi na leswi ni twa nga ku a swi ni hundzisi kahle. Had I known those issues and all of that, it could have been things that we could have resolved, because if you remember, okay, no one is aware, no one was aware you had an issue that you couldn't communicate and all of that.
I kona loko se hi languta hi side ra Hagiazo, to be fair, he was not aware. So hi nge fiki hi blame Hagiazo, even if he was wrong. He was not aware or he was wrong when he was addressing Gagash ka timhati letiya na pastor donation sweswiya issue yaliya swi nga vuriwa xiswona. So the issue leyi nga na yona i mhaka ku ngopfu ya context. Gagash a nge za va open too much ngopfu ka mhaka liya, but hopefully after this live ita tlhaviya kambe I'm very sure a ta yi addressa mo Gagash mara mhaka leyi. So hi leswi hi va ku hi swi tekisa swona ku hi side ra yena hi vona Hagiazo ku ri munhu la nga wrong, so but yena Gagash at the same time is wrong, va wrong hinkwavo. So wrongo ya Gagash ivi on top of wrongo ya Hagiazo. Ivi Gagash a ti lan'wela ku hi side ra yena, leswi na swo swi nga wrong very na swo va swi ri wrong at the same time ku very a swi ta va swi simple loko ri a foyinini. So ku loko munhu se a kwatini nakona guys, nakona it's another in case vanhu va kota ku hambana, so vanhu va riheta ku hambana, so naswona hi swin'wana ku decision ya Gagash yi influence ngopfu a kwatini. So mavoko yi tlhe yi fika yi verisa mhawuna hi mhaka ya kona, but ku hi side ra Hagiazo I do support it ku ri swilo Gagash a fika a foyinini loko se hi languta hi side ra Hagiazo, because he was not aware ku he was biased.
At the terrible time of your life, I could see some people saying, Mfundi is very in, and I didn't want to talk before we could actually understand the dynamics and all of that. And we tried to reach out to you because we love you and we don't have issues with you. Imunloi, like I don't think I'm prepared to enda leswiya swa ku hey se mena kokwana Chauke a valabuli mena man a twanani. I don't think I'm prepared for that, and for me now it's way too childish for where I am. So for most of you who are saying from what I know, I just don't remember. But according to Budgiven's information, from what I know, he was the second to receive an invitation, according to information Budgiven.
As you can hear, we're going to confirm na wana ku himpela Gagash a invite win, we're going to confirm ku a invite win. Tani sweswo of course nga swi hlamusela ka the previous video, Gagash va kombisa ku nga respondanga at all, ku yena a kwatini vele nga respondangi like ku kombisa ku waya or a nga yi na. So the decision very ya Gagash a influence hi anger, a twi na ku hi side ra yena swa ku a twi na ku Hagiazo was aware ku ri was biased. Tani swi nga sungula ni mi kombisa video clip leyi ku ya ha ri kona ka the account man, ma swi twisa yana, so swi vheta na swi tlhe swi phusha that narrative ku hey na ku swona man, na ku va na hi comparison.
So for me, not even going forward, like I don't really like and appreciate these things of us addressing each other on WhatsApp. And we should handle matters as men, and I understand that you might have been pushed, to answer for yourself because of whatever that everyone was saying.
Mara loko munhu a ri wa social media a swilo swi addressiwaka koho kwalaya la ku swi voni hinkwaswo. Mina I have no issues with that, because I also remember ku ri ka case leya ya manager Philani and Hagiazo la swilo swa va swi endleka social media. He also came in on Hagiazo, he was on social media loko va ri ka va ri va holova minkarhi yaliya. So kwalano mina a ni nge blame ku va Gagash a fika nghena online hi ku I munhu wa online, I munhu wa social media. So ka that case I don't agree with Hagiazo, because even him Hagiazo loko va holova na manager Philani the previous time, he came online. He came online na vona va fika va tisa his point online. Hi vona mhaka leyi.
So for me na Dr. Gagash, I don't even have an issue with you. I didn't even think you had an issue. From what Budgiven told me, He just told me, no, you just recently had kids, and congratulations, by the way. I didn't know. I just heard you recently had kids. God bless you. Shkwemba shukufuni, shukukatekisa. So for me now on my side, if there is something that you can distinctively point, this is what I have said, and I should come and please forgive me. It was never my intention to hurt you, and I will never side with anyone, and probably I know less about your views with the rest of you guys, and somewhere somehow I find myself caught up between these things, and I don't want to be part of those things, because one day utatwaku loy abatwanani. I don't remember myself addressing that issue. When I entered in that life, it's just that my memory is kind of bad. But what I remember, I was saying Mjatwa Gagashi was very nice, and I also said basically I didn't want to correct Pastor Donation for what he said, and I also didn't want to say you are right, because that is things that I believe they happened before I knew the both of them, because it seems there was more to it than what meets the eye. So for me,
yeah, so in overall based on his side, he does not remember kuva kutekiwe side ndakateke side ra Pastor Donation, leswi message wu twarisa ku swona. He does not remember that. Hi swo sweswo. So in other words, kahle Hagiazu angeze abona nandzu wa leswi a nga swi endla la. He does not see any wrongdoing ka live yaleyi nga endliwa. So swi vula ku swi mi nga swi twa ka this live video ka xi fika a va specific ku hi leswi nga vuriwa to be specific.
If I said something lexi nga offender, a million apologies to you. Shandla and Shanda. And again, Mina, I appreciate all of you. I see says Onani says Gagashi and Donation. Pastor Donation, I appreciate him for who he is, and I also appreciate Dr. Gagash for who he is.
Hello guys, I'm coming this live. We also address that matter to try to do him and God. Spiritually, we understand is wrong, but somehow it's as if maybe it's trying to protect his reputation. Out of context. Maka simple ngopfu. Kuda Hagiazu if you apologize he was not aware of it after swi kahle. But fika swi defendiwa ku leswo loko ri amgeza ndzi ska banda kombela mi tlika subscribe.
Malembe lama ni ma khoma ku lembe leri a malembe lama ni ku loko ni khoma wona ni va ni ri na nuna na vana hi ri na muti wa hina ni ri na movha so vana va na mbyana a ni na bara a ni na basikela a ni na nchumu no va na iPhone na fridge tembisa